Hello, my name is Teresa and I'm here today with a teaching tip using your Theraband to help hamstring tightness and low back pain. Oftentimes clients will come to us complaining about hamstring tightness, which often correlates to low back pain. And I'm going to show you today how to use your Theraband to help your low back pain. So we're going to go ahead and lay down and go ahead and place one foot in the center of your Theraband, and you're going to reach that leg up towards the ceiling. So your opposite leg has two options. You can keep the knee bent to relieve some pressure on the hip flexor, or if you'd like an added hip flexor stretch on the other leg, you can lengthen the leg out. With the leg that's up in the Theraband, you're going to reach the heel up towards the ceiling, and some of you may already just get a stretch right here. As you're here, take a couple of deep breaths, pulling the leg in towards you, best you can manage to get a nice deep hamstring stretch. And so your hips might do a couple of things here. They might hike up. They might want to overly arch back. I want you to think both your hip bones are square to the ceiling and that you're trying to create the length through the hamstring, maintaining that square pelvis. We've got a nice neutral pelvis, so a small space underneath our low back, and we just hold that stretch. So you can pull the leg in towards you a little bit. You can just hold it up in that 90 degrees. And then you would go ahead and switch legs. And so you may notice that one leg is a little bit tighter than the other. And so again, opposite leg can be bent or extended forward for a deeper hip flexor stretch. And with that opposite leg, we pull back and just kind of notice the difference between the two. Is one a little bit tighter than the other? And take a couple of deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You can do both legs together as well. If you want to reach both legs up towards the ceiling and pull both legs back. With this variation, you can focus more on an imprinted spine as we pull back for that hamstring stretch. Good. All right. That's your teaching tip for today for tight hamstrings and low back pain.